Test.
Laughing in the moonlight along the beach we ran. Splashing naked in the sea, making love upon the sand. Falling fast asleep like children, hand in hand. It's just another day in paradise. Loving the night away till the sunrise. Seeing that I know the look in your eyes. Just another day in paradise. I woke up this morning with the sunlight in my eyes.
Welcome to Dolby Atmos. Please put on your headphones. It's a new way to experience sound. Unlike stereo, which is limited to 2 audio channels, Dolby Atmos can manipulate individual sounds in 3D space to position sounds all around you. Sounds can move above you, far away, or right up close. Let's compare. This is stereo, and this is Dolby Atmos. Dolby Atmos can build worlds of sound to tell any story. It catches all the
Country 107.3 The Eagle rocks Tampa Bay. Queen of Tampa Bay's classic hits.
100. Test pass.